everybody. Okay, so first off, let's just go to the best thing in the world. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. One second. Give me a second. Okay.
And then, yeah, so I had to go over to Twitter and get some from there. So
I'll put a little box of this in right here, right there.
I'm so nervous. Okay. Hi! Shut the f*** up. What do I have right now on my desk? What does it say? Jaclyn will FaceTime me today. Yes! It's Austin!
Oh my gosh, I DM Austin all the time.
We saw you me and Austin. We're like, okay, we have to FaceTime her. You were so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. It's so nice to meet you. Here, by the way. Oh, you're so sweet. Look how cute you are.
She is so cute.
Where are you right now? I'm in my store. Oh my god, look at you go. Absolutely, girl.
And then she like asked about my store and I told her all about my store, and then I kind of like had a mental breakdown that I was actually talking to Jaclyn Hill on camera, and I stopped functioning. So you can kind of see that happening.
It was so nice to meet you. Thank you for DMing us. Bye, girl.
I was like at this table right here like
she was so cute.
For like a minute probably.
She literally just like what if I just like FaceTime people and they
I was literally like I wish I said so much more than I did. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad, but I wanted to tell her that she's amazing and like keep your head up, girl. And truly, honestly, for someone to like go through the crap that she's gone through this past year and still make videos and still be online, like girl, so like that's a powerful ass being. Powerful. Thank you for this intro. I just had to share that. Let's get into today's video. Today we are going to be the Hallow Queen. So it's gonna be a makeup video where if you're like going to a party and you want to dress up Halloweeny but you don't really want to wear a costume, kind of, but you want to be like glam, like you want to show your glam life, this is the perfect look for you. It's going to be very glam, very elegant, very sexy. So let's get into it. So we are obviously starting off with foundation. We are gonna make a very flawless full coverage base, and I'm using my Duo blending sponge combo. Oh my gosh, I love this sponge. And my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation in the color Natural. Slap it all over to your face. Then I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have a link for this down below that you can buy off Amazon. It's like so cheap and so good. Oh my gosh, I love this concealer. Now I'm using my RCMA powder. The link is also below for this RCMA powder. Seriously, it's awesome, and for Halloween looks, definitely recommend because it seriously has no color. I put this over the black for the skull look, and it just didn't affect the color and make it ashy at all. It's wonderful. So I'm just blending that into my face using my damp beauty sponge. Now I'm going to be using my Riase eyebrow pencil in the color black brown and carving out these gorgeous brows of mine.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to be using that e.l.f. concealer on a flat brush. Well, this is kind of like a rounded flat brush. It's just the nicest brush to carve out eyebrows. And I'm carving out my brows, making them look really nice and clean. Today I'm having my cafe du jour, and it is a white peach guava iced tea. It's so good, you guys. If you haven't checked out my cafe du jour, jump on Instagram. I post what my daily drink is every day. And if you're a local bar. If you are a local coffee shop in Utah, let me know to come over and I will post you my cafe du jour. I just skipped over a lot of what I'm doing to promote my Instagram. Sorry. I sprayed my face with the setting spray to just lock everything in. Now I'm going into my highlight and contour palette and buffing on some freaking bronzer. Make these cheeks look nice and snatched. And I'm putting it on my temples and jaw like normal. Now I'm going into my Jawbreaker mini palette and going into the orange shade and buffing that all over the center of my face. So like cheeks, nose, right under the eyes, all that jazz. Right there. Big orange. Make it orange. I'm going to be putting that around my chin to make my chin stand out a little bit more, on my jaw, and then up on my temples. Now I'm going into the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going into Suck, I think. I don't have it with me, but I'm trying to remember. The matte orange shade, and I'm just buffing that. I'm gonna turn this Intermission by Brianna. Now I'm taking Suck and I'm going to be putting that on both sides of my eyes. We're going to create a halo look today. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times I've attempted to make a halo look. And I hate it because I can't do it. Now I'm taking the shimmery, I think this might be like orange-sicle or something, I'm not sure, but it's the shimmery orange. It is such a stunning color, and I'm putting that on both sides of my eyes and then under. Now I'm going to be taking the shade in the Jawbreaker Mini and putting that on both sides, and now taking that shimmery shade, I'm blending and buffing that into my cheeks where I put all of the orange with a beauty sponge and just really blowing it out. There are children outside yelling. Now I'm taking the shade Noir. I have a little bit of black body paint on this brush as kind of like a primer, I guess. And I'm going to be attempting a halo on my eye. Guys, I don't know why. This is so hard for me. They always look like crap on me. What am I doing wrong? Please in the comments, give me direction and tell me how to do this correctly because I am lost and I always have to like re-add shadow, but then it blocks out the halo and then I have to add more of the halo and I'm confused, but I think this one turned out okay. I am doing a reverse triangle under my eye, but very like blendy and patchy. Now taking a brand new, that's important, brand new liquid eyeliner, I'm going to be shading in some of the details and drawing some bats. Oh, I love bats. Now I'm, Googling what a bat looks like. Figured it out. So basically for the next 3 minutes, you're gonna draw bats all over your face and it's gonna be real cute. So just draw them bats and then I'll be back with you. For the best effect, make sure to draw the bat outside of frame so that no one can see what you're doing. Guys, when I tell you that you need a new eyeliner, I'm not kidding. With this detail work, if you have like an old kind of busted eyeliner, I tried to do it with an old busted eyeliner first. The pigment just didn't come out and it will just look blurry and gross. So I wanted really sharp, crisp bat bats. Do you guys think I did a good job with the bats? What do you think? Let me know. Okay, eyeliner. For my wing liner, I kind of want to draw like a jack-o'-lantern. So I'm drawing like a pretty curvy bottom line, and then I'm carving out a little tooth. And then on top of the eyeliner, I'm drawing 2 little triangles so it looks like a little jack-o'-lantern. This is the cutest eyeliner I've ever made. It was so fun. I'm going to be using my favorite mascara right now, the Lash Paradise. This is also in the description below. You can get it on Amazon. It's like $8. It's just like the Better Than Sex from Too Faced, except for better. It's better than sex. Better than sex. Okay. For my lip, I'm going to be using black body paint. I think that this goes on really great, but if you have a black lipstick that you like, that can work just as well. And in this clip, I decided that I wanted to leave in that I effed up my bottom lip. So I showed you the process on fixing that, I used my C'est La Vie makeup remover wipe, wiped it off a little bit, reapplied some foundation, and then reapplied the black body paint. So I just want to let you know that I mess up on lipstick all the time. Mess ups happen, and I just wanted to include how to fix it. You're welcome. And that, my dudes, is how you become the Hallow Queen. Thank you for the jacket, husband. Best jacket ever. Anyway, so it's Freakin Bats. Love Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I would love to see if any of you do something like this. Please subscribe to me on all of my other social media linked below, and you can find my ride or dies in the description below. I used a ride or die today. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Filming gets so messy. The e.l.f. concealer. That's what. Not that I needed it because I just covered it up with orange anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Have a great Halloween. Bye.
Perfect.
Just because it was my name?
Yeah. And like I've never even bought like a luxury product before, and it was expensive for me. But
Oh no.
So much, and you were so excited.
Oh no, there's black in this. Oh god. That was annoying. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off.